Today I want to let you guys know what are the renovations that actually give value to your property. Very often when you guys buy a property, maybe you start buying some furniture or spending money in things that are not really important to add value to the property. So let me tell you about two things that are really important to add value to your property. One is the bathrooms. Renovating bathrooms is always a big plus. Bathrooms and kitchens, those are two things that you can completely renovate them depending on, of course, what you choose, the type of bathroom and everything. It can be between $2,000 to $4,000 to renovate a small bathroom. And to renovate the kitchen, you can do a lot with paint. You can do a lot with exchanging taps and things like that. So, you know, it's not super expensive and it does add a lot of value. So think about this when you get your next property: painting, exchanging bathrooms, renovating bathrooms, and renovating kitchens. Those are three things that add a lot of value. It can completely change the ambience of a place. So we can help you with that too. So if you need help with renovations of your bathrooms, of your kitchens, or you need some ideas about how to make your place look more updated and nicer, let us know. Also, getting rid of bulky furniture, bulky furniture, all this mahogany, super bulky furniture, no go. Let's try to make your place as neutral as possible, neutral tones, beachy style, and well, not for Santo Domingo, but for the beach places like Cabarete and Punta Cana. And yeah, nice bathrooms, nice kitchens. You don't have to spend a lot of money for that. So just contact us. You can send me a direct message. You can leave me a comment here on this video, or contact me directly through my website, www.caribeconnection.com, and we'll help you with anything you need with the renovations for your new property. Thank you. Bye-bye.